Honor and respect to you, family. We're here again for another video. And this video is just to answer another question that have to do with the Zafem both grand premiere that I attended. I'm not saying that some of my close family members or friends are blaming me because I did not post when I was at the event, but I have my reason why. So maybe some people might wondering, like, I was so excited and yet I was there both night and I did not share. The reason why is very simple. First of all, they did made an announcement that they weren't going to be live. At that moment, I respected, I just feel like I had to respect their choice. That was a choice. It is respected by me. That's how I am. If somebody go with something and they choose it based on their whatever reason, as long as that's what they want, it will be respected by me. And of course, I will never disrespect Zafem. So that's one. And the second thing is, I did made up my mind that I was gonna go to Zafem grand premiere and make sure I leave that moment. Like, I didn't want to be bothered, to be honest with you. So that was like, seriously, I just wanted to be there. To me, it was a dream come true, and I just wanted it to be that. I wanted the moment to be all about that. I did, and I'm grateful for that. And the third reason why I did not post, I didn't wanna use Zafem as an opportunity to go live, and because I go live and hoping to get many views. To me, it's not about the views. It's not about, like, attracting people that way. It's really has nothing to do with that. As people can see, like, this channel is very, how would I say that? It's very, like, on a low profile. I do not, ask people to subscribe. I do not, because I feel like it has something that has to be done naturally, because there's a connection. And of course, the nature of this channel is really, I'm pretty sure it's not for everyone. It's really clear what is it about. It's really about morals, value, consciousness, these things. And I know people nowadays don't really value that. So therefore, I know it's really for like a very small crowd. So I see it that way. To be honest with you, I'm not really about the quantity. Quality is more important to me than anything. So like I said, I didn't want to use Zafem as an opportunity to just like, I just didn't want that. So I'm just letting it be. What's meant to be will be. That's it. So let's say if Zafem didn't come out, like, it would still be what it has, it would still be it. So that's the way I see it. So I just wanted to answer that question for close close family members, and other friends, just to be clear the reason why I didn't do it. And also, a lot of people think it's all about Zafem. Like, I have nothing to hide. I did mention that Zafem is very dear to my heart. Like, it's something that is, like, I'm not even gonna say hard. Like, it's something like, that's a soul thing, to be honest with you guys. And I will forever be like that about Zafem. Even be worse than that. Even get deeper, because I love, like, the energy on which they are vibrating. They are like on the right path. They are vibrating on the same energy as the planet. Love, truth. That's it. That's all we need. So therefore, like, yes, I will forever be crazy about them as long they keep they go in the path that they are right now. But let's say if they were to change to something else, no, because to me it's not about pleasing people. It's about like, be on the right energy frequency, like, vibrating on the same level. Those things are important to me. So of course, yes, I love Zafem for that. So it's not really just about Zafem. It's about what is beautiful. Like I said, as long as there's love, there's pure honesty, value, morals, I am there. I am there, definitely. So, but I don't want anybody to kind of like give me anything fake. I don't want anything of the matrix, because like I said, in the matrix we find good and bad. So I don't want any good or bad, especially the bad. I don't want that. And I don't want to be bothered with the fake, good that is associated with the matrix. So I want to go with divine truth. Everything that have to do with universal laws, like, the law of nature. That's what I'm all about. And I think that's what Zafem is all about. And I would love to see other Ben do the same thing, make me leave, like experience something like that. Of course, it would be beautiful. So I don't want people to think like it's all about Zafem. No, it's not. It's just about what is good, what is, really connected with my soul. That's what it's all about. And another thing I want to be clear about is I know Zafem have really kept me busy when it comes to the community. I've been like, dig into many things. But I think I will now, like I said, I will forever follow Zafem, definitely. But I think I'm going to go back to refocus on me. We connected to myself, to like the universe. And because there's so many things happening divinely, with the planet, the energy that the planet is vibrating on right now, there's so many things happen. And nature is showing us so many things. Don't be focused on the lies or whatever that they are saying in this matrix. It's so much more. When it comes to divinely, trust me, it's so much more. So that's why you need to disconnect yourself from this matrix and other to connect to yourself so that you could know what's going on. That's what I wanted to share with you guys. Again, honor and respect. That's what you guys deserve.